Hello, good morning. Kakain po kami. Breakfast with Torge. Say hello, Ton. Say hello. Say hi. Ito po ang food. Meron kaming chorizo, egg, tapos may suka, and then kunting bacon. May prutas po, at tubig. Tara, kain tayo. Let's go, Ton. Let's eat.
Stapler, Canva. I don't have. Mama has.
That one available.
I'm sorry, but I don't have much
Rice
space.
na lang.
See what rice?
Use rice.
Very good. Smart grab. Di. Chinese one, di.
Ang init. Ang init ng panahon. Yummy, Ton. Yummy. Is it yummy? Oh, no. Sausaw sa suka po yung chorizo. Tanghalian na pala ito po. Tanghalian na.
What's this?
That's bacon.
Mama, what about my food?
It's here.
Oh, yay!
Init.
He's grabbing the bacon for Jella.
You not let him waste it.
He's giving it to Jella.
Pop. Slowly.
G, can you get the coke, G?
Ha?
Yeah, si Andy. Init, pawis. Ay. Cover a bit. Do not play. Do not get and get. Never mind, let her get here. Jella, eat with rice. What happened?
The gloves of Ate Iya, you know the one. Come, come, quick. Come.
crispy chorizo.
Wala.
Mas masarap po to kapag crispy. Tapos sausaw sa suka. The best. What's that? That's rubber band.
Mother, the movie cake.
Give me that one. No. Yeah. Go back here. Go back to your seat. Enough na playing that
Do
one.
not play. Do not play, Ton. Eat it.
Hola.
Give me some coke, Lee. On the other side. You go on the other side. Here on the other side. You pour.
Oh, what one? And then, don't tell me you don't have one paper.
Oh, I have
Okay. Then, I have, but I don't know. It looks like this is already dry.
No, Grandma, that's not dry.
Huh?
It has there all at the bottom.
Okay, it's one fold. Never mind, I taste no with rice. Now, one paper na. Wait lang to. Pork, bacon, yes. Wait. Thank you. We have envelope. Long envelope. White.
You're not there, Ton.
Not that one.
I told you. Santa Claus doesn't have
Oh,
it.
this is a school supply.
Andy.
My mom knows my parents okay, so my everything.
No envelope, no? Envelope open. Or
Andy.
compound. Sunrise. Gerald, pwede ka ito. Weng, sa kaweng, oh. Durog ka rin tayo, sa kanimo bacon, ay may ako laman.
Nadadaan ko, Angela.
Oh, okay na. Later na rin.
Naya ka ba?
Wala lang na rep.
Di oh. Here oh. Oh.
Mangustin.
Si ma'am.
I want some.
Come here, Don.
Ito po yung laman ng mangustin. Siguro kung walang pandemic ngayon, ang dami-dami na nito sa Zamboanga. Ito po yung panahon ngayon ng mangustin, lansones at durian. Last month pa po dapat.
Ah. Don, ah. Don. Ah.
Did not finish your food here or you finish this one. Mga pamangkin ko po, nosebleed.
Ew! Oh my gosh!
Now you get the broom right away. Why did you throw it there?
No, Don. Don.
Peter cake!
You wanna try it on? One? No. Do not touch that.
Come here. Come.
Don't get it.
Don't touch that one, Don.
Don't get it. No. Andy, you come first. Oh, Anton is already getting the... Oh, my little pamangkin po trying to get... You say hi. Nah, you don't like to say hi? Do you put the other feet up a little?
What?
Up. The other feet. This one na lang. Na, pero very low na talaga. Okay na. Like that na. Na, tiku. Put down a little that one. No, there. You curve a little. Okay na. Ginalaw po ng pamangking ko.
Yeah.
Put kita hero, you duduk.
You come up. Subili. Say hi, Ton. You can remove the coke. Another pamangkin, Andy. Say hi, Andy. Ah, you try.
Hello. Hola, si Amora di Dora.
Ah, say hi. I say hi, you try. Sarap, oh. Yeah, yummy.
He's in for candy.
You try, you eat, you eat. You eat.
Do not play doon.
Ito. Oh, eat. Eat.
Oh.
Mm.
Tapos na po ang brunch. Say hi, Anton. Hi, you're doing coke? What is that? What is that? What's that? What is that? You say hi, and I say hi and bye. Say hi and bye.
Hi, bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you. Mama, take off my bacon.
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.